standing in the narthex. And what I have to know about this Christian church is that the most expensive material to use for decoration is marble. After marble is mosaics. The cheapest way to decorate its painting. So what we saw in the monastery is the cheapest way. Monks were not that rich. Usually something that's very expensive would be half marble, and the upper half would be mosaics. For example, did you visit the church of Hagia Sophia in Constantinople?
Yes.
Half the way up marble, all the way to the top, and then it was mosaics with real golden ground. That's, of course, that's the best example because it was the imperial donation. Now, an Orthodox, upon entering into the church, will make the sign of the cross 3 times with his 3 fingers joined together for the Holy Trinity, like this, right first and then left. He'll kiss the icon. That's always by the entrance. In this case, we have the Virgin Mary, the Jesus Christ. And then, of course, all the other icons you'll see around is Saint Demetrius, always depicted as a soldier. So let's have a look around here. Yes, you can take pictures.